Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.